It's winter here in New England, but we still have a lot of work to do. So Fred and his crew set up a tent so we could work on the hardscape underneath. So this used to be no man's land. It just sloped down from the street towards the house and there was no front entry. Fred, good call on the tent here.
Yeah, it's the only way we can work in the winter in New England.
Absolutely. So you have the reclaimed brick, you have the reclaimed granite,
Yep.
and then one of my most favorite parts is this wall.
Yeah,
right?
it's beautiful fieldstone wall that we're building.
So this wall has form and function, right? You
Yep.
catch the drainage from the street.
Yep, we got a 4-inch pipe behind the wall with stone and fabric around it to catch any surface water.
Perfect. And then from this side, it's a perfect height for a sitting wall.
Yeah, it
So
is.
great entry to the house.
Yeah.
Now let's check out the anatomy of this wall. Looks like they're almost done.
Yeah, come on down. I'll show you what's going on. So the first thing we did, Jen, was we dug down and we removed all the organics and we put down 12 to 18 inches of compacted stone.
And that sets the footing.
Yep, and our base stones are going to sit in that compacted stone. And
Which
we
are
want
the
to be
larger stones.
Yeah, this is the larger stones. They're going to do the heavy lifting of the wall.
Yep.
And then we're going to make sure that that's a minimum of 6 inches below finished grade.
Okay.
So then we're going to put some cement behind the base stone to give this wall a little more integrity. So one of the first things we do when we get a stone delivery is we pick out our capstones. The capstones, we're looking for a nice smooth top and a nice face.
It's a great idea. Separate the larger stones for the bottom, nice smooth ones for the top.
Yep.
Okay.
And then as we're building the wall, we want to make sure we split our joints. And we want to make sure we got 1/2, or you get 2/1.
Yeah, because from a design perspective, you don't want one long joint going all the way through. Your
Right.
eye will just go straight to it.
Yep, it makes the wall stronger too.
Yep, good. So this really takes an amazing artist, amazing mason to put this together.
Yeah, like I say, it's like having a puzzle, but you don't have the box to look at.
That's awesome.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.